Hey all my cool cats and kittens, it's Carol Bascom. I'm lying. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Madeenasiaa, and today I'm giving y'all a little some comfortable shit because I don't want to get dressed up. I don't want to do too much to my face, but I want to look cute because I put the wig on. So I'm gonna just jump straight into this. I am going to be using 3 different palettes today to get my full look. The Chocolates by Juvias, and I'm gonna use this one, and then I'm gonna use another Juvias, but it's gonna be the Zulu, and that's this one. Love Struck from the Secret Center palette. This one. And the Kunafa. I'm going to use the Bodyography Black Walnut Eye Pencil to line my lash line. I'm also going to use this in my waterline later. BB is upset and his sister is not having it. Let me go check on him. Okay.
We are just in the camera as a family.
As a family?
Yeah.
Chill out, pimpin'. I'm gonna take this like little bronzy brown glitter, cause why the fuck not? And I'm gonna use my Anastasia glitter adhesive in the glitter, and I got my glitter from Amazon, child. I already moisturized my face earlier. If you watch my videos, you know how it goes. my shit. I want to try this new primer that I got in BoxyCharm like 2 months ago, and I just never like. We gonna see how it goes today. I'm gonna use the Icy Sherbet primer by Touch and Soul. So first impressions, this primer feels really good on my skin. Really good. It feels really good on my skin. My skin feels hydrated from the primer. I don't even know if it's like a matte primer. It's kind of, I don't know. Like, it feels good on my skin though. It feels really good on my skin. So I'm gonna start with my contour, I guess, and I'm going to use the Huda Beauty medium Tantor contour and bronzer cream. I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way concealers in the shade Mocha and Maple. I'm going to put Mocha in my inner corners and Maple everywhere else. So I'm going to use the Gut Apple foundation in the shade 1074 for my, of course, foundation. I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty Cinnamon Bun and Kunafa powders to set my face. Now I'm going to use the Morphe Glambronze bronzer in the shade Leader. I'm gonna use a little bit of that. I don't want to use too much of it. Y'all probably gonna think I'm doing too much because I'm finna use this to warm it up like even more, the brown. Yeah. So for my little highlight and shit, I'm going to take the Saharan blush volume palette and I'm going to use the remnants of Zara. I'm going to reincorporate the colors that I had inside of my eye I'm gonna take the Jackie Eyeliner palette because why the fuck not? And I'm going to, I always drop the fucking brush. I'm gonna take the Jackie Eyeliner palette and I'm going to go in with Zam. And I'm gonna put that in my inner corner because why the fuck not? I'm going to use the Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara. We cast what we need. I'm going to use the Iman Evette Beauty Lashes in the style Star Baby. I'm going to put on the Melt Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in the shade Ebony. This is the final look. I'm done. I hope it came out cute. I don't know. Everything is just so bright coming at me. And then it's just so dark on my phone. Like, I don't get it. I don't know if that look was a fail or not, but I thoroughly enjoyed it. At this point, it is what it is. If y'all like it, say something. If y'all don't, say something. Shit, just say something. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Bye.